In this video, we're going to discuss how you can use Canva to promote your social media or anything you may be needing to promote using social media. We're going to be promoting our YouTube channel. And using Canva, I'm going to show you how you can add promotional strategies into your videos. And the first thing you're going to need to do is create what is referred to as an end slate. You can also put them at the beginning, but we'll discuss the one called an end slate, END-SLATE, end slate. And we're going to use a custom size of 1280 by 720. Why? Because that's considered HD quality on YouTube. So when we hit this plus button here, you're going to hit the custom dimensions like I stated earlier and enter 1280 by 720, hit design, and it's going to populate your design. And then you want to drag in this layout that has this full image in it, which, you could really make it look really nice if you wanted to use this one here, but that, I did the sample I'm going to be sharing with you right now using this first image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my uploads, not uploads. Apparently it hasn't loaded it up yet like I was wanting it to, but anyway, so we drag this in here like so, and that allows us then to add other things to it like text. So we could add something like thanks for watching, and then we could drag this up here, and then we could add more text that says watch video above for more info. Now you can see that's getting pretty large, so we're going to have to definitely take the size down. Okay, so we'll go down to 32, still too big. 28, that looks like it's going to work fairly well. So we're going to leave it somewhere in that vicinity like that, and take that one up there, and maybe drag this one down a little bit more to the bottom. And then we can go in here to our search section and go to shapes, and we're going to add a placeholder. And whatever color you want your border to be around your video is what you should use for your background. So as you can see, this one here has handles in the middle all the way around, so you can pretty much drag it to be whatever size you want it to be. So I'm going to leave that one pretty much like so. And now I'm going to add my logo to the mix. And I'm just going to do that by doing like so. And I have no idea why it keeps giving me this runaround like this. I've had this problem earlier today. And see if I can find the one I was working on earlier. So let me show you the one I was using earlier, which is right here. It's already loaded in. Here's where I was trying to get the logo to be positioned, and the reason I wanted it there is I was going to put an annotation over it that anybody that clicked over that would actually be able to subscribe to my channel or be taken to my channel. Same thing for this. You could put some annotations over this. Now you'll be doing all this in YouTube. So, but for right now, this looks really nice. This end slate does. So what you would then do is download this as a PNG file, save it to your computer, or somewhere where you know you can get to it, and then you're going to come into your video editor, and whatever video you're going to be working on, then you're going to add the end slate to the end of your video. And as you can see here, I've already got this one set up. So this is what it's going to look like. Your video is going to play through, and then maybe at the end you'll say something like, thanks for watching. If you would like more videos like the one you just watched, click the video in the window, and it'll take you to the next video. So as you can see, that's how that works. And then you also will upload that to YouTube, and then put your annotations over this inside of YouTube, and then it will let you do all the different things I've been talking about. And this is a very good way to promote your videos and to keep people watching one after the other. That way it don't just end and then they have to go search YouTube to find something else to watch. They can just keep clicking, and it'll keep taking them to videos in your channel. Or maybe, you know, you want to take them to your website. That could even be something that you could put in here. Click here to visit my website, and then put an annotation around that. Or maybe start or use the card feature that YouTube has now to connect that with your YouTube channel. So there's so much you can do with Canva that it's just remarkable. I keep thinking of more great ideas even as I use it right on and on. So hope you enjoyed it. We'll talk again in the next one.